Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you are going to learn how to get BADOO for free. So first of all, you must go to your Play Store and download BADOO. BADOO is an app for dates. So if you open it, there you're going to find different options of women or men to date. This is quite similar to Tinder, but with different specifications. If you want a premium plan, you must go to your profile, and then in this purple option, you have BADOO Premium. Then you can select different options, maybe 1 month to 3 months, and also less if you want like 1 week. That's the easiest way to get premium, but perhaps if you don't want to pay for that, you must go to your profile and on top of the screen you're going to find the settings symbol. You go in and then in the second option, account. Here you could hide your account, you could sign out, but also at the bottom of the screen you have the option delete account. Here you can delete your account. You must select the delete your account options. The app is going to convince you to not delete the app. You're going to continue. And here you can change your mind. You can stay just 3 more days and they're going to give you BADOO Premium so you can see everything BADOO can offers. So you can continue BADOO for Premium, or you can also delete your account if you want, but here we want a free BADOO Premium, so you click on that button and now an OK. And that's it. Now you have all the BADOO Premium features for free, but just for 3 days, so enjoy it.